Being a swing slash relief driver in the downtown Denver area, also known as the Rocky Mountains, there's a bunch of different pros and cons. In today's video, you will see not only a whole day of work doing a recycle route, you'll also get to see some residential customers get taken care of, as well as me getting some trash juice on my lips. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Feel free to leave a comment. Please leave a comment actually, and let me know how you like it. Ladies and gents, if you guys are new to the channel, my name is Nick. I'm a swing driver for Republic Services. I'm usually in front load, but with the swing driver position, we go from front load and often to rear load. This is what a rear load truck looks like. All right, come and follow me along for the day. Let me know what you guys think of the experience. Ladies and gents, we're back with another episode of A Day in the Life. I just got to my first stop. I'm in a rear load truck, as you guys seen in the beginning. You see that little symbol down there? We're doing a recycle route today. I want to go over a couple things before we start. So at the Republic Services here in Colorado, we function off of a tablet. So these tablets, and I don't know the legalities of what I'm able to show you guys, so I'll just explain it to you guys. I don't know what, I don't want customer info to leak out, is what I'm trying to say. So what we get is the customer name, the customer address, exactly what size of dumpster is over there, and whether or not we're doing recycle or trash. So today I'm in a super good mood. We have a very easy day. We're gonna go service a lot of swimming pools, and those consist of like 5 96-gallon toters, so the route should go by really fast. We're gonna have an easy day. I'm in a good mood. It's about fun. So a couple of important things to go over real quick. You always need gloves, safety glasses, and steel-toe boots. For the new guys or whoever's thinking about coming into the trash industry, you only get one pair of eyes, so always wear your safety glasses. Sounds like a safety tally type thing, but I mean, think about losing an eye. Just put it like that, all right? Or running over a toe and breaking a toe for a bullshit reason, all right? So a big reason why you want to wear safety glasses, especially with recycle, is the glass breaking in the hopper and it's spraying back at you. You can get some of those glass break, whatever, the little glass that breaks, they can definitely go in your eye, you go blind, all right? Second stop of the day is done. We started around about 7:40. We'll see how long this route takes. Stay tuned. I usually start at 4 in the morning. Starting at 5 today, I feel so much more alive. It's a good day. So if you guys have followed the channel, you'd know that I've been in the industry for about 14 years. So this is the experience in me talking real quick. So check it out. If you guys are gonna come into the trash industry, you guys need to be aware of stuff like this. So this alleyway is super duper tight, right? So we have probably a good like 1.5 feet on this side. We come to this side and we have about the same amount of room. But if you come down here, I cannot see in my mirrors a clear view down. So what you do is you get out of your truck and you come and inspect it. And if that takes an additional 5-10 minutes, then so be it, whatever. Because if you go ahead and do it and there's something obstructing and you end up hitting something, you end up crashing into something, that 5 to 10 minutes is gonna turn into like 2 to 3 hours. So just take it from experience. Learn from other people. And from what it looks like, we might be able to access this easier. So this is gonna save me a lot of effort and it's gonna be more safe. I sound like a safety Sally. So we gotta come all the way down to this tan color can. Look how far the trash truck is. If that's how long it takes, that's what you gotta do to be a little bit more safe, so be it. I have never, in my 14 years, crashed into anything, and I better knock on wood while I say that, but yeah, that's how I've got away with not hitting anything. Just taking the extra time. All right, well, there's no other way to get through to here. So it looks like we're gonna have to send it, boys. All right. Well, let's go have some fun. All right, ladies and gents, we did it, route complete. It is 2:03 in the afternoon. I didn't take not one break. So us swing drivers gotta deal with it like that sometimes. It's part of the game. Want to give a huge shout out to the people that support our channel. Montana Knife Company, Wingard Wearables, Tour Knives, and also Mountain Man Medical. If you guys want to support me and my channel, do that by supporting the people that support us. Go and find Mountain Man Medical. I'll link everything in the description. You can find them, get you some medical kits that are pre-made already. Go check out Montana Knife Company for your cutlery needs, your knife needs. Iron Infidel, their battle bottle. Thank you, Iron Infidel, for making a bottle that keeps water ice cold no matter what heat you put this thing through. This thing was in solid 100-degree weather all day today and I still have cold water, and I left my house at 4 in the morning, so 10 hours later, still ice cold. And also Wingard Wearables. These companies have helped me out by providing the essential tools that I've needed for the job that I did not know that I needed. So I appreciate all you guys. Thanks for tuning in. Again, this is a day in the life of a rear load garbage truck driver. If you guys are in the industry already, let me know in the comments below. Hit me with your name, where you're at, and how long you've been doing the job for. Talk to you guys soon. Peace.